Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I to compare the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Edge 20 Motorola versus the Realme X1 Max device. And during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use the 15 applications, as you can see friends, which has been recommended by a few of my subscribers asking me to make this kind of comparison, because most of the users will try to use more applications than more games in the background. That is the reason I thought of doing this kind of side-by-side comparison. Let's start at the same time. Let's see how much difference can it be there between both phones in terms of the speed test and in terms of the RAM management test. The Motorola we do know, which has got the stock Android UI experience, which is really very good till now. So I did use this phone for the past 1 day only, and I did fall in love with this Android UI. I've been stock Android UI experience. That's the one thing. So that's really good friends. I never felt very low processor it was used. I mean, in this kind of price range we do get the Snapdragon 870 chipset and powerful Dimensity 1200 other chipsets, but I never felt like that using very low powerful chipset till now. But let's say in this speed test how well this phone Motorola Edge 20 gonna compare with the Realme X1 Max. Right now the Realme X1 Max is available for about 21,000, so for that price it's absolutely good deal. There is no doubt in that. So right now the price is not a concern, but let's see how is the RAM management. It's manageable between both phones. Right now let me try to slightly increase the brightness so you can actually see, and let me try to connect to the same Wi-Fi network, because this speed test requires the Wi-Fi connection as well. That is the reason I need to show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi connection as well both phones are connected at this point. And Snapdragon 778G versus the Dimensity 1200, and 8GB RAM variants versus 8 plus 5GB RAM variant, which is present in the Realme X1 Max. I did turn on the external RAM capabilities, and one more thing I need to enable, I need to clear everything from the deep clean as well. I think there's nothing to clean at all, so everything is completely clean obviously. So now let me try to open this application. So here are the 15 applications which I did select during this process of testing. So let's see which phone will be able to open these applications faster. So 1, 2, 3, Chrome. First in the Realme X1 Max. So I did keep some page, so let me try to close it and open again. I forgot to clean everything from the Motorola device, but right now I did clean. So thank God I did check it before. So everything is completely clean in both phones. Now let's start again. So both phones slightly kind of close to each other, and is a touch sampling rate, and I'll try to draw some lines and I'll try to keep this in the background RAM management. That is what my main purpose of making this touch sampling rate application is mandatory in every speed test. Next is Flipkart, also not an issue. So both phones did perform same level, and let's keep something this in the background as a RAM management only. And next is music player, slightly faster maybe in the Motorola, maybe just a little bit but not much. Next, see this Gaana application. So both phones slightly kind of close to each other, nothing much difference is there. And next is a Zoom first in the Moto Edge 20, as you can see friends clearly, not bad. Next, YouTube Music, first Moto Edge 20, again Moto Edge 20, as you can see clearly. As I said, the stock Android UI experience is really quite good in this phone. That's the thing which I did like in this device, in the Moto Edge 20 device at this point. And next is a calculator. So is a calculator, I'm trying to type something and keeping the background. And is a camera. So both phones are completely open in the camera as well, not bad. And next is a Prime Videos, slightly slower in the Realme X1 Max, as you can see friends, in terms of the Prime Video. Next, Amazon application, slightly fast in the Realme X1 Max, not bad. So both phones kind of at this range 50-50. So sometimes the Edge 20, sometimes the Realme X1 Max, it's opening. It's kind of 50-50, not exactly one phone is winning all the time. So Facebook also both phones. So finally friends, it's time to check the RAM management. So in the first round, the speed test, clearly both phones are kind of equal. In the second round, which is the RAM management, this is what that decides the phone which is a winner. Because as a daily task, definitely you'll be using close to 10 to 15 applications as an average, as a background. Okay, that's the reason I need to concentrate in the RAM management. Let's check. Let's start opening one by one application. Let's check how many applications will be in the background RAM management. So stock UI versus Realme UI, and Snapdragon 778G versus Dimensity 1200, 8GB RAM versus 8 plus 5GB RAM variant, and the external RAM capabilities if you take into consideration, not bad. So till two rows both phones did perform really great. Okay, 2 rows perfectly all right, no doubt at all. Now we are moving to the final round, which is a third row. Some time it did take. Let's open from the multitasking. So let's open the Flipkart application. Here's the Flipkart 1, 2, 3. Not bad. So both phones did do great job. Okay, let's see what happens to the Play Store. Let's see will it load without getting reloaded or not. Not bad. The Moto H20 did take some time, but not bad. Still got the same page. And next is touch sampling rate. This is another extreme test which I did keep. Let's see which phone can actually remember this data in the background. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Both phones. Wow. That's fantastic, friends. So in the both phones, in this kind of range, both phones it perform really good. In the RAM management, not bad. Final application is the Google Chrome. 1, 2, 3. Wow. So overall in this kind of 15 applications as a basic, which normal people, they will definitely use maybe close to 10 to 15 applications. That is the reason I did not increase the count. Maybe next time I need to bring more applications, maybe close to 25 kind of thing, to test the extreme level testing as well. So that extreme level testing definitely I'll try to do as soon as possible, friends. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. And this is a final quick comparison between both phones, and we got the results, which is obviously the Moto H20 and the Realme X1 Max. Both are kind of really very close in terms of the speed test and in terms of the RAM management test. Slightly the Moto H20, sometimes it did not load the Play Store app for some reason, but it did store other applications. But Realme X1 Max did not load this one, the Musiclet application. It got reloaded sometimes. I'm trying to do the random testing as well, just to check which phone will be not loading. But both phones are completely loading very fast. No issues for 15 applications, as you can see, friends. So as an average person, day-to-day task, it should not be any kind of issues. But in the both phones, perfect, it should be all right. And next I need to do one more thing, which is a extreme level testing, which is called opening all the applications 15 and keeping them side for 30 minutes of testing. So then bringing out the applications from the RAM management. So that's for extreme level, which I'll definitely do as soon as possible. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. And finally, let me try to show you what is the RAM availability between both phones. So after opening all these applications in the background. So out of 8 GB of RAM, the memory average used, as you can see, average used is 38%. Out of 8 GB, total memory we are getting 7.6 GB and 38% is used, and free is 4.7 GB is free. Even after opening all this kind of applications and everything in the background completely. These are data we are getting here, statistics, as you can see, friends, exactly. And in the Realme X1 Max, these are the statistics which we are getting here. Available RAM is about 3.8 GB is available. Average used is 61% is used. As you can see, utilization, how it is there. Same applications I did open in both phones, but different kind of utilization is there. As you can see here clearly, friends, what is happening. 8 plus 5 GB, 61% used, and available is 3.8 GB. But still, the free RAM availability in the stock UI is more, 4.7 GB. That's the thing which I thought of comparing. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video and illustrated for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.